everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today the recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you is my version of Mexican rice. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Let's get started. Okay, the items that we're going to be using today is some white rice, some chicken stock, some tomato sauce, some red bell pepper, some white onion, some garlic, a cup of peas, some Knorr chicken flavor bullion, some pepper, some comino, and some salt. Okay, you're going to put some oil down on the skillet. I like to use a little according to how much rice I'm going to use. Here I have a cup and a half of rice. And what we're going to do is we are going to toast the rice. This process, you want to keep the heat at low to medium. You don't want to rush this. Don't try to get in a hurry and burn the rice because you're not going to like it. It's not going to work out. So take your time and kind of babysit the rice. It takes about 10 minutes, 10 full minutes to get it, nice and toasty. Take your time with it, like I said. And we'll be back when we get to that stage. Okay guys, we're back. I'm going to bring you in real close so you can see the color of that rice. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, now we're going to put in the onion, the bell pepper. We're going to wait about a minute or so before we put the garlic. It starts to brown quite fast after this, so you really don't want to not, walk away from this. You want to stay here. Okay, and really you just want to sweat the onions. Get them a little translucent. Okay, we're ready for the garlic. That was a large clove of garlic. Okay, I want to make a little well in the middle. I'm going to put in my tomato sauce, quarter of a cup of tomato sauce. Careful with the steam, don't burn yourself. And that just makes everything better there. Brings out the tomato flavor. And then you want to put in your chicken stock, your 3 cups of chicken stock. Get a good facial there while you're at it. Okay. And I like to put, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I like to put peas, sometimes peas and carrots. So it's just 1 cup of peas that I'm adding in there. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of salt, maybe a half of a teaspoon. I'm going to put about a half of a teaspoon of comino. And I just eyeball it, been doing it for a few years. And also the pepper. You don't like pepper? Don't put pepper. You do you. Okay, now we're going to add some of this Knorr pollo chicken flavor bullion. I put about that much, which is about a tablespoon. That's why I don't add too much salt because this is salty already. Okay. You're going to stir that up. Wait till it comes to the boil. Make sure everything is incorporated. I can still feel a little bit of the granules of the Knorr Suiza. Okay, and then we're going to cover this and set the timer for 20 minutes exactly. We're not going to mess with it. We're not going to uncover it. We're going to leave it alone. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes. The rice is done. I actually cut it off and let it sit covered for 10 minutes. And I'm going to uncover it now and let it air out. Let some of the steam out. And I'm going to bring you close so you can see how it looks. And I like to let it sit for a little while before I start picking at it. But as you can see, it's very flaky, not sticking together. And I'm sure it tastes delicious. Okay guys, that's it for the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a big old thumbs up and see you next time. Bye.